Hi guys, we're going to prepare this vegetable that I'm going to add alright to our chicken. And so we will be slicing this one. Magsasabaw ako guys, dadagdagan ko ng repolyo. Of course, we'll chop it like that. Ayan. So we'll be cooking sabaw na manok with sabaw na manok with repolyo. Ayan. And this one guys, ito ang kanyang spices or ito yung pampabango guys para mabango yung lulutuin natin. So I'm preparing this vegetable, this cabbage. Ayan guys. So ganyan lang siya, momshies. Okay. And this one guys, itong chicken natin. So I'm going to wash it pa. Ayan. So these are my ingredients guys to cook sinabawang manok. Okay. Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye!